Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change grass quality in FC 26. Actually there are two ways by which you can change the grass quality. The first way is for the PC players. So for that what you need to do, just go to the gear icon which you can see at top left hand corner. Once that open, go to settings, then select the option game settings. Now here on this window we need to head over to the last tab which is for the graphics, and just right here you're gonna see the option for grass quality, which you can set this on auto if you like. If you have low end PC, you can set the grass quality on low. If you have decent PC, then you can go for medium, but if you have high end PC, then you can switch this between high or ultra, whatever you like. And to save this, just hit the start key and it will get saved. Now you can back off from here. And yeah, this is about how you can change the grass quality in PC. But if you have console, then you won't see that option. Instead what you can do, just go to match tab. Right here if you scroll, you're gonna see the option or section for conditions. So here you can easily change the stadium whose grass you would love to get in the match. Then here you can change the match conditions to random as well as custom. If you would love to change the season, you can do that from here as well. So the kind of season you'll choose, the kind of grass you'll get in the match. Then here you can change the time of day. If you scroll again, you're gonna see the option for weather as well. So choose the one which you like. To apply this, just hit the start key and it will get applied. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can change the grass quality in consoles as well as PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.